Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today we are going to start with your second term course of pronouns. Pronoun is a part of a speech which is used to avoid the repetition. That means it is used in the place of noun. For example, Priya wrote a letter, Priya posted the letter. But right way of writing is Priya wrote a letter and she posted it. So this word she is pronoun which is used in the place of noun and the repetition Priya and Priya. Exercise 1a, we have to circle the noun and underline the pronoun. Sally, what do you want to have? Rakshit is in his room. He is sleeping. The worker was asked to show his identity card at the gate, but he did not have it. Worker was asked to show his and he. Like Sita, noun, her pronoun, she pronoun. Muhammad Ali, noun, he. As the train left the station, train, it. Same you can see here. The dog wagged its tail. It was happy to see its master. Akshay is very thin, he. Harish, Rani have invited their friends over the dinner, but they aren't arrived yet. So, circle words are the pronoun. Pronoun are of 10 types. Personal pronoun, which means I, we, you, he, she, it, they, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. It's a which means they refer to ourselves. Possessive pronouns is mine, ours, his, yours, hers, theirs. That means it belongs to someone. Reflexive, they are used to suggest the object of the verb in the same person. For my example, myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, and themselves. Demonstrative pronouns means this, that, those. Indefinite pronouns means these are the is used to refer to the people or things whose identity is not known. For example, anybody, anyone, anything, everybody, everyone, everything, nobody, no one, nothing, somebody, someone, something, none, few, many, any, many, all, some. These words are all indefinite pronoun. Distributive pronouns each, either, neither. These are used to refer the people or things once at a time. Reciprocal pronoun each, other, one another. These are used to indicate that peoples do same thing, same feel, the same way or have the same relationship. Relative pronoun means this relates a noun to a group of words that follow who, whom, refer to the people, which always refer to the things, or animals, that is always referred to either a people or things, whose. Interrogative means to ask the question with who, what, whom, which, whose. And last one is emphasis, emphasizing pronouns. These have the same form as the reflexive pronouns, but these are used for emphasizes. We use self and selves with the pronoun. For example, himself. Now, personal pronoun here dad, I, he, him, mom, I, she, her, Dennis, I, he, him, Ty, it, and mom and Dennis, they, them. So, there are two sets of personal pronoun, that is the first person, second person, third person. First person ourselves, I, we. First person me, us. Second person the person we are talking to, you. Second person you. And third person the people or things that things being talked about, like he, she, it. In plural they will they. Third person he, she, it is now him, her, it, and plural is them. Now replace the underlined words with the suitable personal pronoun. That's Rahul's mother, she. Rahul, him. Then, before Rahul's mother went out, she told him to clean his room. When she returned, her mother was very and his mother was very annoyed because the room has not been clean. The room will be it. It had not been clean. His mother decided to punish him by taking away his Xbox. Same in the second. Also, once upon a time there lived a wise sage. He had a pigtail hanging behind his head, but he wanted it, pigtail will be it, to hang to his face so that everybody could admire it. Same. Johanna Spyri is a famous author. She was born in a village in Switzerland. She wrote many stories for the children, and she is best known for her book Heidi. It is about a little girl who lived in a Swiss Alp. So, in the exercise C, also read the conversation between a front office executive at the reception in a hotel and Mr. Rajan, who wanted to book a room for himself at the hotel. Now, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows ownership of someone or something. For example, here you can see first person mine, plural is ours. Second person yours, plural is yours. Third person his, hers, it's theirs. Now we. This doll belongs to Tina. The doll belongs to hers. The Dutts have a huge mansion in Mumbai. The mansion is theirs. Theirs. The pink bicycle belongs to Anushka. The bicycle is hers. The house belongs to me and my brother. The house is ours. 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 Vandana and her husband has bought these paintings. The paintings are theirs. 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 Abhinav uncle gifted him a camera. The camera is his. Geeta has borrowed this book from library. This book is not hers. This car is ours. This is our car. The car is ours. These shoes belongs to Radhika. The shoes are hers. Are these pens yours? No, they are not mine. I think these are Priyanka's. These pens are hers. So then I wore a pair of shoes that belongs to my brother. These shoes are his. Then I made these cupcakes for you. The cupcakes are yours. The coach of the cricket team told the player that the bat had been presented to them by a local businessman, that the bats are theirs. Then, whose dirty socks are these? Bala, are these yours? So, student, today we have learned about the pronoun, their types of pronoun, like personal pronoun, then possessive pronoun. Now, we are now going to read about the reflexive pronoun. For example, you can see reflexive pronouns, as we already know, that talks about the action when the subjects and the objects of the sentence are same. Like I, myself, we, ourselves, you, yourself, you, in a plural form, yourselves, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, they, themselves. Exercise E. He hurt himself. Then I myself baked the cake specially for my best friend. She looked at herself. We painted the wall of the room ourselves. Ourselves, because we are plural. I myself lost the keys. You yourself should have cleaned. Then her parents drove to the venue themselves. And nobody can like you if you don't like yourself. And they themselves placed the order at the restaurant for everybody. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session. We will continue with the demonstrative pronoun in our next session. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.